Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are embarking on a journey into the world of homeopathy and shining a spotlight on homeopathic medicine with the unique healing properties. So, yes, I'm talking about Iris Versicolor. So, if you are curious about homeopathy or seeking a natural alternatives for certain health concerns, then this video is definitely for you. So, watch this video till end for more knowledge and stay connected with us for more informative videos like this. So, join me as we unravel the characteristics, indications, and potential benefits of Iris versicolor in homeopathic medicine. So, let's talk about this wonderful homeopathic medicine that is Iris versicolor. So, Iris versicolor is a natural homeopathic medicine which is prepared from the fresh roots of the plant, which is commonly known as blue flag. It belongs to the family that is Iridiaceae family, and the fresh root of this plant is collected in the early spring or the autumn, and they undergoes potentization process which extract and intensifies its medicinal properties and give us a very important homeopathic medicine that is Iris versicolor. It is one of the best homeopathic medicine for managing the cases of acidity, acid reflux, heartburn, gastric headaches, and migraine. Now, next we'll talk about the constitution of Iris versicolor. So, this medicine is especially suit the patients who are suffering from gastric issues, mainly acidity, heartburns. And other than this, it is suitable for the person who are prone to get gastric headaches and migraines. Next, we'll talk about the drug action of Iris versicolor. So this medicine has shown its principal action on the gastrointestinal mucous membrane, that is GIT, intestinal glands, salivary glands, and head. It also acts well on the pancreas and liver. And beside this, its action on the mouth, eyes, ears, throat, limbs, and skin is also wonderful. Okay. Now, next we'll talk about the clinical indications of Iris versicolor. So, this medicine can be used for acid reflux, GERD, acidity, heartburn, vomiting, loose motions, morning sickness, pancreas disorder, gastric headaches, migraine headaches, tinea capitis, stomatitis, excessive salivation, eyelid inflammation, noises in the ear, throat burning, tonsil pain, goiter, sciatic pain, joint pain, psoriasis, itching, eczema, and herpes zoster. So these are the various clinical indications where iris versicolor can be used successfully. Now, in order to make it understandable to you people, now one by one, I will be explaining each and every clinical indication in a elaborated manner so that you can understand this medicine quite well. So let's talk about uh, scope of a iris versicolor as a homeopathic medicine. So its first use is for the gastric issues like acid reflux, acidity, heartburn, vomiting, and loose motion. So let's talk about it. So, the foremost action of this medicine is seen on the gastric system, and it is a leading homeopathic medicine for managing the cases of acidity, acid reflux, and GERD. GERD means gastroesophageal reflux, and it is a disease in which stomach acid bags flow into the food pipe. In such cases, there is a heartburn, means burning in the food pipe, which is felt behind the sternum. There is a constant nausea is present, and with this, sour, bitter burps may occur, and one may vomit. The vomit could be watery, sour, and bitter or sweet. Vomiting causes burping sensation in the throat, fossils, food pipe, and stomach. This medicine is of great help to manage burning sensation which is felt in the part of gastric tract or on the entire gastric tract. And those who need this medicine may not feel better even after taking Cold drinks. This medicine can be used for burping in epigastric region which is accompanied by tenderness and vomiting, and burning sensation in stomach and pancreas is witnessed, and is accompanied by loose motion and weakness. Another reason for using it is abdomen pain from gas, that is flatulent colic. The pain is relieved by bending forward. Breaking bend, which is referred to as passing gas, also gives relief. Sometimes there is a cutting, gripping pain in the abdomen, and this medicine also works well in cases to manage loose stool. Stool is watery, profuse, green colored, and foul smelling, which may be muzzy and may contain undigested food particles. Offensive gas may pass with the stool, and sometimes stool is fatty and greasy. It is accompanied with excessive burning in the intestines and anus. It is very suitable medicine for managing diarrhea that occurs in summers, and this remedy is well indicated for the cases of cholera. Enteritis means inflammation of the small intestine. In general, loss of appetite may be present. This medicine is also indicated for the cases of nausea, vomiting during pregnancy, that is called morning sickness. And besides, it can also help manage the cases of soreness of the liver pain, which is worsened due to frequent motions. Frequent motions. Okay. The next use of Iris versicolor is for the head issues like headache, gastric headaches, migraine, and tinea capitis. So let's talk about it. So Iris versicolor has given great clinical result in cases of headaches and migraine due to gastric problems. It successfully treats headaches, nausea, and vomiting, all of them being a result of acidity. Pain may occur in the temples and over the eyes. It is effective in the cases of migraine when one feels pain over left eye accompanied with nausea. The scalp may feel constricted and sensation of band around the head can be felt. Profuse salivation may accompany headaches. In some cases, a ringing or the buzzing noise in the ear is present. It also works well in the cases where there is a temporary blurring of the vision, which is followed by headaches. Another type of headache it can treat wonderfully is the one that arises from mental exhaustion, like after studying. Headache may worsen in open air, and some gentle motion may give relief. It is also relieved in cases of frontal headaches along with constant nausea and vomiting, and such pain also causes sleeplessness. It can also result in excessive weakness, and there could also be loss of appetite. Apart from all these symptoms, pain. It is used to manage pain on the right side of the forehead that may be throbbing or shooting type. It worsens from rest and cold air. Motion decreases its intensity. And lastly, supraorbital headaches located over eyes on one side can be handled with this medicine. This medicine is of great value to heal cases of tinea capitis also. Tinea capitis means fungal infection of the scalp. In such cases, scalp is covered with scabs, with oozing of yellow fluid from under the crust. The hair is matted together, and in some cases, multiple yellow colored pus filled pustular eruptions can be seen on the scalp. Use of Iris versicolor is for the mouth complaints like stomatitis and excessive salivation. So it treats well cases of stomatitis means inflammation of the mouth. Marked burning in the mouth is felt. Ulcers may occur inside the cheeks with this, and there may be sweetish, greasy taste in the mouth, and even loss of taste can occur. Beside these, it is helpful in the cases of excessive salivation, that is called dialism. There is a ropey saliva that may be slimy or greasy. It drops when talking. Next, use of iris versicolor is for the eye complaints like eyelid inflammation, red eyes, blue rings, visual troubles with headaches. So this medicine help in the cases of inflammation of the eyelids which get worse due to cold. It is also helpful in treating redness of the eyes, excessive tearing and burning in the inner canthus. This medicine also help in cases of blue rings around the iris in the eyes and visual disturbances like blindness which occurs with a headache that comes and goes at regular intervals. Next use of iris is for the ear complaints like tinnitus or simply you can say noises in the ear. So let's talk about it. So this medicine acts well on the ears, and the noises can be differentiated on the following bases: roaring, ringing, or buzzing type. It can also be used in cases of hearing difficulties. Even in the case of vertigo with noises in the ear, this medicine is very helpful. Next use of iris is for the throat issues like burning in the throat, tonsil pain, thyroid disorder, and goiter. So this medicine is helpful if there is burning sensation in the throat, thyroid disorders, and goiter, which means a swelling that occurs in front of the neck from an enlarged thyroid gland. Burning or smarting pain is felt in the throat fossas and that may extend up to the stomach. It is relieved by drinking cold water, or even by breathing cool air. It also has a tendency to check tonsils pain that is shooting and spread to the ears. Okay. The next use of iris versicolor is for the limbs complaint like sciatic pain and joint pain. So let's talk about it. So for the limbs, this medicine is of the utmost importance, particularly for managing sciatica cases of the left side. Shooting on the burning pain is felt in the left lower limb. It worsens from motion, and other than this, it is an excellent medicine for managing joint pain in the right shoulder. The pain worsens if one raises the arm. Additionally, it is also beneficial in the cases of wandering pain in the small joints, and it is a mostly tearing and shooting type of pain. Okay, now next action of Iris versicolor is on the skin. Skin complaints, that is psoriasis, itching, eczema, and herpes zoster. Let's talk about it. And this is the last use. So, lastly, Iris versicolor can settle some of the skin complaints. Firstly, it is beneficial for the patient who are suffering from psoriasis, which means an autoimmune skin disease, the inflamed patches on the skin covered with silvery scales. It is especially help manage psoriasis of the knees and the elbows. There are irregular skin patches covered with shiny scales and little raised margins. Secondly, it helps if there occur itching that get worse at night. Eczema cases with itching at night can be managed effectively with this medicine. In such cases, tiny eruptions present themselves on the skin, which after scratching shows black points. This medicine can also be given for the cases of herpes zoster, which is a skin disorder and it is characterized by painful blisters caused by varicella zoster virus, especially affecting the right side of the body. So these are the various complaints where iris versicolor can be used successfully. Now next we'll talk about the doses. So Iris versicolor works well in both low and high potencies. The potency is selected individually, varying from case to case, and low potencies can be repeated frequently, but frequent repetition of the high potencies should be avoided. Okay, so that's all for today. If you find this video informative, helpful, and especially valuable, so please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more insights into the world of natural healing and holistic health. So thank you so much for joining me on this exploration of iris versicolor in homeopathic medicine. So take care. Until next time, see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. And if you are suffering from any of the health issues, you can contact us for online appointments. On the screen, you can see how to contact us. So